Henry VIII wanted to rule more than just England. He wanted dominion over the entirety of the British Isles. When Henry VIII's nephew, James V, died, leaving a 6-day-old baby girl as the monarch of Scotland, he saw the perfect opportunity for the crown of Scotland to be under English control. He decided that he wanted his 5-year-old son, Edward, to be betrothed to and to marry that tiny baby girl, Mary, Queen of Scots. This would join the crowns of England and Scotland forever. He decided to send an ambassador to England to get this plan to happen. Henry needed somewhere safe for his ambassador to make his base, and also somewhere he could make sure his money would be secure so that his ambassador could use it to bribe nobles to come over to his cause. Henry knew just the place, Tantallon Castle, and the person, Archibald Douglas, owner of Tantallon Castle, who could help. Archibald Douglas had married Henry VIII's sister, Margaret. The marriage had ended badly in divorce. Archibald had been tried for treason by Mary Queen of Scots' father for imprisoning him as a teen, and Archibald eventually went into exile in England, where he received a pension from Henry VIII. As soon as Mary's father died, Archibald returned to Scotland. He was to be a representative for Henry VIII's case. Henry's ambassador shortly followed, setting up at Tantallon Castle. Archibald Douglas and Henry's ambassador would negotiate a short-lived treaty between England and Scotland, which did indeed betroth Henry's son to Mary Queen of Scots. The treaty would crumble, and Henry would launch a horrible and bloody campaign to try and force Scotland to do his bidding. Archibald would eventually switch sides and go against Henry. Archibald's daughter, with Henry's sister, Margaret, would become the mother of Mary Queen of Scots' second husband, Henry Stuart, Lord Darnley.